Question is, an aqueous solution of 2% non-volatile solute exerts a pressure of 1.004 bar at the normal boiling point of the solvent. What is the molar mass of the solute? Answer is, it is given that 2% of aqueous solution. This means 2 gram of non-volatile solute in 98 gram of H2O. Okay. Also, the vapor of water at the normal boiling point is 1.013 bar. Okay. It is a given data which we can easily get from the tables. Okay. Using Raoult's law, Pw minus P divided by Pw naught is equal to W2 by Wm into M1 by M2. Okay. So we get M2 using this formula. This formula is given by Raoult's law. Okay. Using the formula and using the data given here, 2 into 18, which is the molar mass of water, into 1.013, which is the pressure, divided by 0.0009 into 98. Okay. So we get the molar mass as 41.35 gram per mole. So the molar mass of the non-volatile solute is 41.35 unit.